Let's learn how to do a crab dance. Start seated on the floor with your knees bent, feet hip distance apart, and hands placed on the ground behind you, fingers pointed back. Push through the heels of your feet to lift the hips off the ground and squeeze those glutes. Be sure to keep a neutral neck, avoid tucking the chin or looking too high up. Draw the belly button to the spine to engage the core. This is your starting position. Exhale as you kick one leg up and reach towards your toe with the opposite hand. Do not let your hips drop while performing this part of the movement. The higher you keep your hips, the more challenging this will be. Hold for a brief count and then inhale as you return to the starting position. Repeat this movement on the opposite side and continue alternating for the desired amount of reps. If you find this exercise challenging at first, you can start with a simple hip raise. Then as you progress, begin to add in alternating knee drives, then eventually alternating kicks, working your way up to the full range of motion.